I'm Shanynn the Shan-sastional, and today I have a very magical episode for you. It's a microwave. Impressive, I know. But wait, there's more. Even more impressive. Get ready to be razzled. Get ready to be dazzled with my magical microwave mug hack. Hackra-cadabra. For my first hack, I will turn this ordinary mug into a delicious donut right in front of your very eyes. Let's go nuts for my cup full of donuts. For this, you'll need self-rising flour, sugar, baking powder, softened butter, milk, vanilla extract, nutmeg, white chocolate chips, heavy cream, some pink frosting, sprinkles, a whisk, a knife, a spoon, and a mug. The exact recipe is in the description box below. Add your flour, sugar, baking powder, and nutmeg to your mug. Whisk together. Mix in your milk, vanilla extract, and butter. Microwave for 90 seconds. Use a knife to carve out the center of the cake. Remove your donut from the mug. You can use the knife to help. Now for your glaze, pour your white chocolate chips, heavy cream, and pink frosting into a microwave-safe bowl. Microwave for 45 seconds. Mix it together. Now glaze your donut cake like this. And add some sprinkles to finish it off. Ta-da! Now that was good. But what's better than one donut trick? 2 donut tricks. So prepare to be amazed by my next hack, the Jazzy Jelly Dough Cup. For this you'll need self-rising flour, sugar, baking powder, cinnamon, softened butter, milk, an egg yolk, strawberry jam, some cinnamon sugar for the top, a fork, a spoon, and a mug. Add the flour, sugar, baking powder, and cinnamon to your mug. Mix it together. Then add your milk, softened butter, and egg yolk and stir everything together. Add a spoonful of strawberry jam to the center of your batter. Microwave for 50 seconds. Sprinkle some cinnamon sugar on top. Then add another spoonful of jam to the center to finish it off. So good. For my final hack, I will be making my pizza de resistance by turning this ordinary cup into a pepperoni pizza. It's time to make my pizza mug pie. For this, you'll need self-rising flour, salt, baking powder, baking soda, milk, vegetable oil, pizza sauce, shredded mozzarella cheese, mini pepperoni, a whisk, a spoon, and a mug. Pour your flour, salt, baking powder, and baking soda into your mug. Mix it together. Add your milk and vegetable oil. Mix it together. Add some pizza sauce, cheese, and pepperoni. Microwave for 70 seconds. It's done. Ooh, smells like pepperoni pizza. That's really good. Now I have one final surprise trick for you all. Shanynn the Shan-sastional is gonna make this hack disappear. Thanks for watching Food Hacks for Kids with me, Shanynn. Remember to subscribe to DreamWorks TV and click over here for more food hacks. And let me know in the comments below what your fave food hack was from this episode. Go check out Akira and Walker on Junk Drawer Magic. This episode was more like junk food magic.